Hey guys, welcome back to my channel My Painless Tales. I'm Vani, a self-taught artist from Hyderabad, India. I'm back with a very special video this time, the setup of my first ever art studio. I'm very much excited. Let's get started. This is the before of the studio, which is completely bare. We painted it with a fresh coat of ivory white and it's already looking good in here. I always wanted a good ventilation for my studio and I'm happy that I have it in here. These doors were painted black before, but it's not in a good condition as you can see. I'll be painting with black again for a fresh look. I'm using usual wall paint here. Trust me, a fresh coat of paint always makes the difference. I'm always fond of accent walls. Wanted to create an eye-catching, bright accent wall for the studio. Here I chose a shade of sage green. I want to take it to the next level using stencils to create patterns on the wall. Got this one from Amazon. I'm using a sponge to dab onto the stencil to create floral pattern. I thought of following a symmetrical pattern in the beginning but gave up on it and started painting randomly, and I quite like it actually. Those moving shadows on the right are my friends helping me finish the wall. You can create such stunning and elegant walls for your spaces by yourself using these simple DIYs. Once done with painting, I shifted everything from my home to the studio and it's time to start the setup. Got this beautiful hanger from Amazon. I love hanging plants in my space and always find a reason and a spot to add them. I had these wooden pick tables from a long time waiting to be painted. Finally got them out and using it in here. Adding a cute textured art piece to complete these tables. The process of this painting is already up on my channel, you can check it out. Adding a battery wired string lights to complete this nook. As I told you, I love filling spaces with plants. Adding a huge snake plant in here on a stool. Adding plants changes the entire look of the space. Do try it. Finally adding logo of my brand. I DIY'd it on a MDF plank. Got this boho mirror from Amazon. I believe these accessories make a huge difference in a space. I designed this frame on Canva and printed it. I swear by this quote, work hard, dream big and never give up. Time to set up my work table. Adding a plant, a scented candle, one more plant and a mini painting of mine. Now it's time to set up the lounge area. How can I complete my studio without a pitch white painting? This is a canvas print of my painting and I got it framed. A little sneak peek into upcoming releases. Stay tuned. Ta-da! This is the final look of my art studio. Completely satisfied with how it came out. The accent wall has my heart. Please let me know how you liked it in the comments. Everyone who supported me in my art journey. Also a big thanks to my friends who are more like my family who helped me from start to finish in setting up my art studio. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe, like and share and support me to reach more heights. See you in the next one.